Number 33. Using the quadratic formula, solve x squared plus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. Express your solution in simplest radical form. Nice thing is the quadratic formula is on your reference sheet, so we don't have to memorize it. We just have to know how to use it. So if I go down here and go to my reference sheet and copy and paste it, we can see that's that negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, what I like to do is I like to identify my a, b, and c values. Now remember, the a value is attached to your x squared term, the b is attached to x, and the c is your number. So if I look here, the number attached to x squared is a 1, so I have a equals 1, b is 4, and then c is negative 3. You have to keep track of your signs. So if I look positive, positive, negative. Now, if I look at my quadratic formula, I see that it's 3 pieces, the negative b, the b squared minus 4ac, and 2a. So let's write those in. So negative b squared minus 4ac, and 2a. So to find negative b, I do the negative of my b value, which in this case is 4, which gives me a negative 4. I then do b squared minus 4ac, so I'm going to do 4 in parentheses, square it, minus 4 times my 1 times my negative 3. I then go to my calculator and type it in. So we're going to do parentheses 4, close it, square it, minus 4 times my a value of 1 times my c value of negative 3. And I get 28. Then I need to find out what 2a is. So I just do 2 times 1, which gives me a 2. So now I have all the values I need for my quadratic formula. So now I'm just going to do x equals negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 28 all over 2. Now, the question does say in simplest radical form, so we're going to have to simplify our radicals. So if we go to the side of our paper and rewrite radical 28, we have to ask ourselves, how do I break apart a 28? Well, I know 2 goes into 28. 2 times 14 is 28. Can't break apart a 2, though, so I circle it. And then I ask myself, can I break apart a 14? And yes, I can. 2 times 7. But I can't break apart a 2 or a 7. So now we have radical 227. And I ask myself, do I have any doubles? Yes, I do. I have a double 2. So that double 2 becomes 1, 2. So radical 28 is 2 radical 7. So now I have x equals negative 4 plus or minus 2 radical 7 all over 2. But it's still not simplified yet. And the reason why is because 2 goes into 4, 2, and 2. So we can divide each of our numbers by 2. So negative 4 divided by 2 is a negative 2. And then 2 divided by 2 is a 1. So I just get negative 2 plus or minus 1 radical 7.